Hey guys, Doc here with Dr. Auto Spa. I thought I would share a project with you on a 2011 Mercedes-Benz GL350. Not really sure the history behind it on the previous owner. This is a new owner that just brought it to us, and they wanted to really get it shining up nice. But it appears, let me pull it in here so you can see the paint a little bit better. This is a side that we've not yet worked on, and you can tell that it's got what's called oxidation. That's usually dryness out from the sun. If you can think about it this way, when we go out into the sun, we're putting sunblock on our skin, right, to keep us from sunburning. Same is true for paint. It gets hot, it dries out. If it doesn't have proper protection like wax, paint sealant, ceramic coating, something like that to block out that UV rays. These water spots that we have could be caused from a number of things, so we're really not sure exactly the source of it, but more than likely maybe they wouldn't dry them off quick enough. We were washing in the hot of the day, which is a big no-no. You want to try to wash in the cool of the day, also in the shade preferably, where you can control it. So it could have been that the soap dried too fast on it. It's looking more to me like a chemical base, like maybe hot wax from an automatic car wash that has gotten put on it, and over time builds up this glaze-like stuff and dulls it out. But on our left side, we can see what we are achieving now. Now, I want to point out these little spots that you can see out here, all these things. Those are essentially rock chips that are all over it. Again, this is a 2011 model, so we're going to have some of that stuff on it anyway. You don't see them too much on this side because all of the contamination is kind of covering those chips up. But once I get to this side, they're going to reveal themselves a little bit more like this over here too. So what we can do with that is find some touch-up paint that matches it and touch those in. Well, again, we are Dr. Auto Spa here in just outside of Roanoke in Botetourt County. If we could do anything for you, please give us a call, send us an email, shoot us up on Instagram or Facebook, something like that. We're on social media. We'll be happy to help you and make your car look a lot better. All right, thanks a lot. Appreciate you watching the video. Have an awesome day. We look forward to hearing from you soon.